Hey there, welcome to another exciting Photoshop tutorial. Today we are diving into the one of the most essential tools for image composition and refinement, the crop tool. So let's get started. Wait, what's so special about the crop tool? Isn't it just for cropping the images? You are right, the crop tool is commonly used for cropping images, but it offers much more than that. With the crop tool, you can fine tune the compositions, straighten the horizons, and even change the aspect ratio of your images. It's a versatile tool that can transform your photograph. That sounds interesting. How does it work? I'm glad you asked. To begin, open your desired image in Photoshop and after that select crop tool from the toolbar on the left, or just simply click C on the keyboard, and after that you will see the crop tool options appear at the top. Got it. What can we do with these options? The options allow you to set the width, height, resolution and the other parameters of your cropped image. You can specify the dimensions manually from here, or you can choose from variety of preset aspect ratios. I'm just taking the original ratio here, and it's all about the customizing the crop to suit your needs. That's convenient. But what if I want to straighten a croop horizon in my photo? Great question. First go to crop tool, then just select the straighten tool which looks like a level, and after that just draw the line with the help of straighten option on the horizon of your image, and after that Photoshop will automatically rotate and level the image for you. So you can now drag the crop and extend the crop tool or image like this, and done. It's a quick and effective way to fix any slanted horizons. That's handy feature. What else can we do with the crop tool? One of the most powerful aspects of the crop tool is ability to non-destructively crop your images like this. But for that you have to pay attention on this option, delete crop pixels. You have to uncheck this option. If you crop the image with selected this option, the Photoshop will delete the cropped pixels. And after unchecking this option, you have to just crop the pixels or image, and done. What happens here? By default Photoshop crop the images without deleting the cropped part or a cropped area. You can see here outside the bounding box you have the remaining area of your cropped image, and because of this you can easily readjust or revert your image original size like this, and done. It's like a safety net for our edits. Absolutely. It's a non-destructive way to experiment with different compositions and revert it back if needed. And wait, here is one more thing we have to discuss, because we have that option in this. So here we have the content aware option. We can't select or deselect that option. Okay, so just select this layer first. Okay, then you can see the content aware option is available to use now. And for that, after selecting the layer, you have to just go to crop tool. So first select this container option. Now you have to just extend the bounding box here. Okay, after extending this you can see the transparent pixels appear here. Correct. Done. Then just hit enter on the keyboard and Photoshop will magically fill the transparent pixels. So what happens here, if we don't check this option and just increase the bounding box or just increase the crop or canvas like this, it will remain transparent. But by selecting content aware option, we are eligible to fill the transparent pixels with the help of content aware. Just a second, like this you can see the area is filled. Okay. Oh, nice one. Yeah, but what do you mean by content aware?
Content aware is a feature that automatically detects and understands the content in an image. It helps you remove objects, fill in gaps, or extend backgrounds effortlessly. The tool intelligently analyzes the surrounding pixels to create seamless edits, saving you time and effort in manual adjustments. We will explore this topic in more detail in future videos, where we can delve deeper into its capabilities and functionalities. Stay tuned for more comprehensive discussions.
Do you know we have the different crop tool also? One more crop tool. Really? That is same or different from this? Yeah, of course it is different. Then why should I share with you? So here in this crop tool option only, below the crop tool, we have this perspective crop tool. Okay. So for example, we have taken the photo of the notes. Okay, like this. But it is quite different in perspective. It is not perfectly taken. Okay. So if we crop with the normal crop tool like this, it will crop, correct? But here is the problem. It will cut the some part of that image or some part of that document we have clicked. So for that we have the perspective crop tool. We can just create the points like this and hit enter. Done. It's very helpful while editing. So I hope you have understood the perspective crop tool also. I don't know, this means we can crop in any perspective like you have shown here. There is nothing to say much about this perspective crop tool. The end goal of the perspective crop tool is crop in any perspective. So this is like small topic. Thanks for sharing these valuable insights. I can't wait to get started. Have fun cropping and refining your images. So guys, this is it for today, and let's meet in another episode of our Photoshop Magic series. Until then, I hope you will like this video, you will share this playlist with your friends, and please comment down below the topics we can discuss like this, and subscribe to our channel Skillvolution. It is free. Till then, bye bye.